This is our family circle, and we have been called to share our story. In a time of extreme adversity, we turned to Jesus Christ with broken hearts and contrite spirits, and over time, He answered our prayers. Line upon line, under His inspiration and direction, we were guided to sell everything we owned to start a new life of travel and adventure. Each day, we follow the guidance and inspiration He gives us as we exercise our faith to seek Him out and act to discover the amazing blessings He has in store for us. Join us as we travel the world on the Lord's errand and learn that your greatest happiness comes after you leap.